Good morning students, this is your science class and I am your teacher Manpreet Kaur, and today we are going to discuss about the topic components of food. So let's start. There are different components of food. The food contain different nutrients and each nutrient have different property and which is required for our body. So read this. Foods that we eat contain 5 main components, and that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Our body needs all these in the right amounts to stay healthy. So first of all, carbohydrates. See this diagram. These are the sources of carbohydrates. This is bread, banana, honey, rice, potato and rotis. These all food items contain carbohydrates. Now learn about importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body, and these are some examples of carbohydrates: rice, wheat, potatoes, millets, fruits and fruit juices, bread, sugar, honey and maize. These are some sources of carbohydrates. Sweets and soft drinks means sweets like laddu, jalebis and soft drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi also contain carbohydrates, but these are not good for our health. Sweets and soft drinks are very bad for our teeth. Now, the next component is fats. These also give energy to our body. See this diagram. These are the sources of fats: biscuits, nuts, butter and oil. Read. Fats also give energy to our body. Meat, vegetable oil, butter, cheese, ghee and dry fruits are some sources of fats. Though fats are important for our body, eating too much fat can be harmful. Eating too many fatty foods can lead to a condition called obesity. Obesity can cause many diseases. Obesity means too much fat, too much fatty. We become too much fatty by eating these all products more and more. And the next one is protein. These are the sources of proteins: fish, chicken, milk, nuts, eggs. Proteins are also known as body building foods. Our body needs proteins for growth and for repairing worn out body parts. These are some sources: eggs, meat, milk, cheese, pulses and soya bean. Proteins are required for maintenance of our bones. And the next one is vitamins. See this diagram. These are the sources of vitamins: bitter gourd, spinach, mango, orange, bottle gourd and pineapple. Vitamins are needed in small amount by our body to function properly. About 13 vitamins of different types are needed by our body. Vitamins are mostly found in fruits, green leafy vegetables, eggs and fish. There are different vitamins that are required by our body, and some of these vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, D and E, and each of them have different properties and different requirements in our body, and due to lack of these vitamins several diseases are caused. We will learn that topic later on. So the next one is minerals. These are some sources: curd, dahi, cheese, iodized salt, beetroot, vegetables and fish. C. Just like vitamins, minerals are also needed in small amount. These are some minerals: iron, calcium, iodine and phosphorus. These have different requirements and different importances. Milk and milk products are rich in calcium. Calcium is one of the mineral which helps in keep our bones healthy and teeth strong. Spinach, beetroot and jaggery. Jaggery means गुड़, जो गुड़ हम खाते हैं. Gives us iron. आयरन से क्या होता है, हमारा खून बनता है. इसलिए हमें द फूड आइटम्स कंटेनिंग आयरन, वी शुड ईट मोर एंड मोर फूड, दैट फूड. Iron is needed for the formation of blood. And next learn about the another component, last but not least, and that are water and roughage. We all know that what is water. Water is easily available and we should drink more and more water. Let's learn what is the importance of water and roughage. Our body also needs the right amount of water and roughage. The part of a food that cannot be digested is called roughage. One more thing, roughage is also known as dietary fibers. These are the food items that helps in digestion of our food. We required only small amounts of roughage in our food, and these helps to digest our food easily. Roughage forms the bulk of our diet and helps to pass stool easily. Green leafy vegetables, fruits and whole wheat are some sources of roughage. Water is needed by our food for its functioning. We should drink plenty of water and eat foods rich in roughage. So, I hope you all should eat more and more nutrients as required and drink more and more water and stay fit and healthy. And that's all for today. Next we will do by tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.